Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my channel. If you want to see the upcoming tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 17th episode about SharePoint Modern Site. In this episode, we'll work on the site permissions. To give access to the site, click Cog menu, Site Permissions. There are three permission labels: site owners full control, site members limited control, and site visitors no control. To see information about these permission labels, hover on this icon, and site owners allows to give full control of site content, theme, permission settings, site setting, and hub associations. Site members allows you to edit and view site content. Site visitor allows you to only view site content. To share the site, click Share Site, and here you can add user, Microsoft 365 group, or any security groups. For now, let's add a user. Then we can define a permission label: read, full control, or edit. For now, let's choose edit. Then we can either send or not send email notifications. Click add. If you click on site members, the user has the site member access. If you want to change the permission label, click on drop down and choose different permission label. Let's choose read, for example. And finally, if you want to remove the user, click the drop down and click remove. Now click on hub. We can give visitor access to all of its associated sites. To do that, we have to turn on this sync hub permission to associated sites. Then we can either enter a name or a group. Open any sites, our company for example. Click Cog menu, Site Permissions, Hub, and again turn on Sync Hub permission to this site. Then you can see the user is showing over here. Let's try to add one more user. Again, go to Site Permissions, Hub, and add one more user. Now go back to our company. You can turn off and turn on this sync hub permission, and you can see new user has been added over here. Now let's check some advanced permission setting. So go back to the main site, click this site and click advanced permission settings. One of the useful tool over here is check permissions. Here you can check the permission of different user or a group. For now, let's add any user over here. Click check now. So this user has read-only access to this site. Let's close this for now, and we can see different groups over here, like home members, home owners, home visitors, and hub visitors. Each group is associated different permission levels like edit, full control, and read. If you want more information about this permission label, click permission label and you can read more information over here. If you want additional information, then feel free to click any of these permission labels. let's click read for now. So whatever is checked over here, it means the user has access, and whatever is not checked, it means the user does not have access. For example, in this list permission, the user can view item, open item, view version, and so on, but he can't manage list, override list behavior, add item, edit item, and so on. For now, let's cancel this. And it is also possible to create your own custom permission label. To do that, click Add a permission label. Add a permission label name, for example, my custom permission label. Then check any item. Let's say add, edit, delete, and view for the list permission. Then for the site permission, let's create subsite, manage websites, and finally let's update personal web parts and click create. Now your custom permission label has been created. It is also possible to create custom group, so click on permissions and click create group. Add a group name, my custom group. Then at the very bottom, you can choose my custom permission label. Click create. And you can see my custom group has been created. To give access to any user, click on new. Add a name or email address. Click show option, and there is option to either send or not send an email notification. Then click share. So this user has been added in my custom group. There is another way to add user. To do that, we have to go back to our previous screen. So I will open user.aspx. Click on grant permission. Add a user. Click show options and then choose your group, my custom group. Click share. To confirm, click on my custom group and you can see the new user has been added over here. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll add custom CSS and JS using App Customizer. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.